Welcome to Voiceless Unboxing. Today I will show you how to change your oil and oil filter on your Toyota C-Char 2019. First, place the car ramps. Tools you'll need: car ramps, wheel chocks, gloves, funnel, oil filter wrench, Sharpie, mats, 14mm socket and ratchet, safety glasses, Phillips head bit, impact driver, microfiber towel, oil pan. Move the car to the ramps, then move the ramps in front of the tires. Drive the car up the car ramps. Make sure to stop at the top and engage the parking brake. Put the wheel chocks behind both of the rear tires. Now pop and open the hood. Open the oil cap for easier oil removal. Go under the car, use the Phillips bit and remove the oil pan cover. Place down mats and cardboard, if needed. Get the oil pan ready. Place the oil pan under the car oil pan. Use a 14mm socket and ratchet to loosen the oil pan bolt. Remove the bolt. Let the oil drain out for a few minutes. Wipe the bolt clean. Wipe the oil pan and screw the bolt in and tighten. Use the oil filter wrench to remove the oil filter. Place the oil filter onto the oil pan to drain. Open the new oil and filter and label the filter with the date replaced. Make sure the oil and filter are same as old. Wipe the oil filter area clean. Tighten the oil filter. Take out the dipstick and make sure it's clean. Now add half of the oil now. Use a funnel for a clean pour. There might not be any oil on the stick since the car isn't level. Pour out the rest of the oil and clean the area. Close the hood. Secure the oil pan cover back on. Remove the wheel chocks. Take the car off the ramps. Now, oil is where it belongs. Thank you for watching.